came to do what?
Sail in my dream.
In your dream, your whole family came sailing?
Yeah, my dream.
Was it fun?
Mhm.
Great. Hey, this is Dave and Miss Marie, and you are watching Harpoon Dreams. Let's zip that up, and then let's put the camera over here where they can watch us rig up the boat. Come here. There you go. Now, that's okay, sweetie. That's okay. All right, sweetie. There you go. Put your feet underneath. Yeah, there you go. Now I'm going to try and grab something for you to eat here, okay? Here's your cookie. Eat more of your cookie. Do not let that bag fall in the water, okay? Isn't this exciting? We are sailing. Me and my daughter. Can I have a bite?
Okay.
Me and my daughter. Mm. Hey there, this is Dave and Miss Marie, and you're watching Harpoon Dreams. And we're out here on Lake Travis with 0 to 3 knots of wind. And I think it's just perfect for us to be sailing as novices with our little one. So, are we having fun?
Mhm.
Yeah? Tell them how much fun we're having.
I have so many fun.
So many fun? We did a lot of good work yesterday. Wasn't that great?
This cookie shows the work.
You like the waves? That's from that boat that just passed. Derek loves the waves. You want to sit on the floor, sweetie?
Okay.
Put the pad on the floor and sit over there.
Are you ready?
Okay, you can sit there. That's not the floor, but you can sit there. Are you all done? Why don't you finish it so we don't have to get it again? Can you finish it? Keep eating. It's a cookie. It shouldn't be that much trouble. Mm-hmm. Are you excited? When you're done with that cookie, we'll put that bag away, and then you can learn to work the jib. You ready?
Yeah.
To learn to work the jib?
Yeah.
All right, eat more cookie. I'll help you. Give me a piece if it's too much. Give me a piece. No, open it up and give me a piece if it's too much for you. Okay?
Too much.
All right, give me a piece of cookie.
Tofu.
No, Just a piece. Here, I'll bite it. I'll take a bite and I'll give it back. No, Marie, take the bag, okay? You keep track of that bag and don't let it go.
I'm trying to name some clouds what they look like.
Are you?
Yeah. Oh, that looks like a fish. I mean, turtle.
I can't see it. In a few minutes, I'll be able to look at it, okay?
Well, that looks like a giant shark.
Giant shark?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's huge. And it's opening in his mouth. It's opening his mouth like that. And he has round eyes.
All right, let's tack again.
He's like a dolphin or a shark. Dolphin shark.
A dolphin shark?
Dolphin shark. What does it sound like?
You sleepy? How's the boat performing today? Any problems?
Good.
You don't see any problems? Me neither. I think she's doing great, don't you think? Except that now she seems to want to go to the other side. It's not okay.
Not okay.
Yeah, I don't like that too much, but it's okay. Hey Marie, I want you to hold the tiller here, okay? Just hold her straight, okay? Come back here. That's a girl. Just hold it straight. Turn around so you can see where we're going. Turn around. That's it. Just hold the tiller straight. You're moving it. That's it. Right there. Hold her straight, okay? Right there. Don't move. Don't move that tiller, please. That's what sailboats do. That's what sailboats do. Yeah, we're going home. We're sailing on in. Want to wave to those people? When we get closer, you can wave to them and say ahoy. That's what you say to people from one boat. That's a greeting from a boat. Ahoy. Okay?
Hello. Ahoy.
They wave to you. Yell really loud, ahoy!
Ahoy!
What's that, Marie? Now, when you're waiting to get off the boat, I want you to keep your head way down so this boom doesn't catch you in the head, okay? Can you do that for me? Because I'm going to jump off the boat and I'm going to hope that you will stay on the boat as I jump off. Do you understand? Sweetie? Can you understand that?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, you're gonna stay right there, okay, sweetie?
Look down.
Stay right there. Don't move, okay? Hang on. Nice. That was beautiful. That all worked out just beautifully, didn't it?
Can I stop looking down?
What? Stop looking down. Who told you to look down?
You.
No, I didn't. I said stay on the boat. Stay sitting down. Now, when you're waiting to get off the boat, I want you to keep your head way down so this boom doesn't catch you in the head, okay?